loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adama, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up because I have something good for y'all today. So let's get right into it. So if you saw the title of this video, you know that I am reviewing this hair that absolutely looks like my hair. I mean, y'all know I love a kinky straight texture, something that looks just like my hair. So I'm just going to get right into this review. This hair is by Curlsqueen. They sent over these clip-ins to me. Thank you for sponsoring this video. Definitely am going to enjoy rocking these clip-ins. The quality is wonderful. So let's just get into the specs of this hair. It is their Coarse Kinky Blowout in the length 22 inches. And I'll try to stand up so you guys can see. Just look at the quality. It's so soft. It's just so natural, and you know I love a kinky straight texture. If you've seen like my other YouTube videos on my channel, I love this texture, and it looks just like my hair. And the crazy thing about these clip-ins, they are so full. I literally have 6 clip-ins. I've only used 6 and I have 4 left. I have 1 4, 1 3, and 2 5. So 2 clips on the side, 2 clips on the side, 1 4 clip, and 1 3 clip. Yeah, so these are what's left over, and this just shows you how full these clip-ins are. Like literally I have, this is 2, and look how full this is. Like this is somebody's ponytail. Like stop playing. That's a whole ponytail. Don't play with Curlsqueen. Don't play with them. Don't play with them because they coming for y'all next. Great quality. I almost want to say these are the best clip-ins I've tried. And I've tried good clip-ins. These are, I think, my favorite. I think these are my favorite. So I'm going to stop talking because we're going to get into this video. So let's get into it.
All right, ladies. So I'm going to show you how to place your clip-ins, and it's really just trial and error, but this is the placement that I use, and I'm just going to use my fingers. So you don't really have to use a comb. The parts do not have to be perfect. So this is my first part, and I am actually going to use my first clip, and I just part it from ear to ear, and this is the 3 clip, and I'm just going to install that. I'm going to brush it out, get a little bit of the kinks out, which I don't mind. So I'm just placing my first set of clip-ins at the middle of my hair, like from ear to ear. And if you notice, these clip-ins are literally so full. This is the first clip-in, and you cannot even see through the back of my hair. Like, seriously, I was already shook, and I couldn't believe how thick it was. So moving on to your second part, I am going to part above it about maybe an inch above the first set of clip-ins, or maybe actually like half an inch. It's not a big gap, and I'm once again using my hands. I'm gonna clip that away. So then I'm going to take the 4 clip, and I am going to measure it just to make sure that it is not going too far in the front on the edges, because when you kind of pull your hair back, you do not want the edge of the clip-in to peek through. And so it's okay to kind of just measure. Like I said, it's trial and error. But I figured if I showed you guys, it would be more helpful, so you can kind of maybe use the placement that I'm using. But the placement can vary based upon how thick your hair is or fine it is.
Wow. This is 2 clips in my head. 2. That's insane. This is 2 clips. We have 10. This is 2. I'm just gonna brush on this.
Okay, so currently I have 2 clips in the back, and so I'm going to move over to the side of my hair, and I'm going to begin to figure out how I want to place it. You definitely want to slant the clip-ins, and this is going to help it just be seamless when you pull it back, or maybe try to do a side part. Place the clip-ins slanted into the side. This is just going to give you a seamless look, and it's just going to lay better.
That's white. Look at how natural these look.
So now I'm just going to repeat this on the right side of my hair. Once again, I'm just going to slant my part and place the 2 clip on this side of my hair. So the further back that you place the clip, the better, because once again, you don't want the clip to be poking out in the front. You don't want nobody seeing your clip-ins. Like, you want everyone to believe that this is your hair. So slide that clip-in back and just give yourself a little bit of room in the front, and it's literally gonna blend seamlessly. Alright, so we've already got 4 clips installed, and I'm just kind of feeling around to make sure that I don't want to add anything. I went back and forth just a little bit trying to figure out if I wanted to add any more clips, but this is just me trying to make sure that if I parted it to the side, it was going to just kind of flow seamlessly, and just make sure that my middle part and my side part, that I could just flip it over without any clip-ins showing.
I have 1 3 clip and 1 4 clip and 2 clips. So I literally have 4 clips in my hair, and literally I don't need any more clips.
So I definitely just said I didn't need any more clips, but I'm gonna add a 2 clip to each side.
I literally didn't use any of the 5 clips. I could have. Like, I could have started with the 5 clips maybe, but it really doesn't matter. Alright. So this is what it is. Because even if I wanted to do a side part, I can still do one. If you don't like the crinkles, you can straighten it, but I didn't straighten any clip-ins because I wanted you guys to see it like just air dried, what it would look like when you wash it and air dry it and just put the clips in. And my hair was blown out, and my roots were flat iron. That's it. So basically my hair is blown out. I just hit my roots with the flat iron a little bit. I am obsessed. Let me stand up for you guys so you guys can really see. Like, y'all really can't tell me this is not my hair. Okay, let me show y'all the middle part. And I'm not doing anything to it. Like, I am not going to curl it. I think I'm gonna do that maybe in another video. Okay, so like I said, this is 22 inches and I dyed the clip-ins. I'll put a clip up of me dyeing it, and I dyed it midnight, I think it's midnight black or midnight blue, something, but it's dark and lovely. I did dye because I dyed my hair I think last week, and so I definitely wanted the clip-ins to match my hair, and that's what's really going to give you that seamless clip, like that seamless look, is, you know, making sure that the clip-ins match the color of your hair. This is the hair, and it literally is seamless. It blends in with my hair, and I did not put any heat on these clip-ins. These are literally the clip-ins straight out of the box, like after washing it. I did dye them, but I didn't put any flat iron to these clip-ins. Literally, my hair was washed and blow dried, and I literally just straightened my roots just a little bit, like touched up my roots with the flat iron, and that was it. I didn't press out my hair. So this is like how you get that like blowout look. I don't know how these straighten or curl. I am like curious to see how they straighten or curl, but I think I'm gonna do that in another video. But just look, like I don't have to do anything to my edges. I don't have to do the baby hairs. Like, I don't have to do any of that because this just looks natural. I have not put any product in this hair as well, so I just wanted to like show you guys that like this is without any product or anything. Like, this is the natural, this is the luster, this is the luster of the hair. All right, so let me do a few little styles and see what we can come up with. It's just a ponytail.
I'm just showing you guys some styles that you can do. It's just, clip-ins are just versatile, and I love it. Like, I can just do a simple ponytail and leave out the door. And so now I'm gonna do a side part, and literally I can part my hair on either side, and I really love the side part. I think it's really cute, and it's literally just easy to do it. I don't have to do too much to part it. I don't have to move any clip-ins. I don't have to worry about any baby hairs because this texture is so pretty and it looks just like my hair. So now I'm just gonna swoop this hair around and do a ponytail again, but of course with the side part. And this would be a really cute look if you just wanted like a sleek style. So I did take out the clips that were on the side, and I moved those around, and I put the 2 clips going straight across in the front, just 2, so that I can do a half up, half down hairstyle. I really feel like clip-ins have endless styles. Like, you can be creative and really just kind of do any style that you want, to be honest. But this is a half up, half down. And then I'm going to actually do like a bun. And so that's really simple as well. I just love clip-ins. Like, don't y'all just love clip-ins?
Alright love, so that is the end of this video. If you are interested in these beautiful clip-ins from Curlsqueen, I will leave it down in the description box. I will also leave a discount code for you guys. It is ACYT. I'll put it up on the screen, but it also will be in the description box, and you will get a discount off of your purchase. I love these clip-ins. I hope you guys love them too. Before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and share this video with somebody. And yeah, until next time, bye.